You're asking if a bottle of Cataclean can get your car through an emissions test when you have a P0420 code. The short answer is yes, it is possible, but this is strictly a temporary workaround, not a real repair. It only works if your catalytic converter is in the right condition and you follow a very specific process. That P0420 code means catalyst system efficiency below threshold. In simple terms, your car's main computer, the engine control unit, has detected that your catalytic converter is no longer cleaning the exhaust properly. A good converter is filled with a honeycomb structure coated in precious metals. It uses two oxygen sensors to check its work. One before the converter measures the dirty exhaust, and one after measures the clean exhaust. When the metal coating wears out, the converter stops working, and the second sensor's signal starts to look just like the first one's. That's what triggers the light. Cataclean does not repair the worn-out metals. It's a powerful solvent that, when combined with high heat, can temporarily blast soft carbon deposits off the converter's honeycomb, and most importantly, off the tip of that second oxygen sensor. Cleaning the sensor can briefly trick it into sending a normal signal again, giving you a small window where the computer thinks everything is fine. For this to have any chance of success, your converter must be physically intact. If you hear a rattling noise from under the car, it means the internal honeycomb has broken, and this will not work. If it's okay, first run your fuel tank down to about a quarter full, which is roughly 4 gallons of gas. This makes the chemical additive more concentrated. Next, pour one entire 16-ounce bottle into the tank. Immediately after, you have to drive the vehicle aggressively for 15 to 20 miles. Get on the highway and keep the engine revolutions per minute high to generate extreme heat, which is essential for the solvent to work. As soon as that drive is over, use an onboard diagnostics 2 scanner to clear the code. Finally, you must immediately perform the specific drive cycle recommended by your car's manufacturer. This is a sequence of driving that forces the computer to rerun its emissions tests. If the catalyst readiness monitor sets to ready before the computer detects the problem again, you can pass the inspection. But this is just a band-aid. The P0420 code will almost certainly return within a few hundred miles once the chemical effect wears off. Plan for a proper catalytic converter replacement after you pass. It's the only permanent fix.